2021 Panini Chronicles soccer cards,
Ooh, this is going to be fun.
as well as 2021 Panini Contenders draft picks collegiate football cards. We'll kick things off. I'm not going to make Ivan wait any longer.
It's only been
Chronicles
5 weeks.
Soccer. This breaks for you, Ivan.
Awesome. Hopefully I can know the actual names of the guys, because this is a deep league, deep product. There's actually 3 different leagues represented here. The Premier League.
I was going to say we should have a box each of
Yeah.
Premier League.
It's got the little symbol there
La
on the top.
Liga and Serie A, which is Italy, and La Liga is Spain, correct?
Yeah.
I'm doing good, and obviously English Premier League. Do you have a preference of which league we open first?
No, just rip into them, and we'll see if we see anybody we recognize. I will say one of the challenges of this product is how deep the checklist is. Can make it a little tough sometimes. I'm slightly jaded. I don't know. You probably didn't see my experience.
Here
I pulled a one-of-one autograph of a guy that hasn't been in the league for 4 years, and I was like, "What? Come on!"
All right, here we go.
But that said, there are a lot of other players that are still in the league with some very, very hot cards that you could pull from this.
Here's a rookie of Tommaso Pobega. And
this is why soccer's fun for a lot of people, because you could be collecting in you could be a deep fan of one of these leagues or one of these teams, and you could be prospecting a guy that the rest of the world still isn't going to know about until the World Cup next year. Like there you go, from Bologna FC, Nicolas Dominguez. He looks pretty young, maybe has a future. Victor Osimhen. Sorry, I'm actually behind because I'm walking.
That's all right. Here's a rated rookie of Mert Mulder.
I like him just for that. Mert Mulder.
Rookie of Gianluca Scamacca. Leaf certified. Design. Rookie from Torino. We've got Sasa Lukic.
It looked like it might have been a gold version too. Oh, Pedro, not Pedri. So, but again, it all comes down to the name. Some of the gold versions are 10 cents, some are $100. That last guy you pulled, Pedro, nothing particularly special about him, but one of the hottest rookies in this is Pedri. It's actually pronounced Pedri. But Matthias Svanberg.
Rodrigo De Paul.
Prism. That was a base prism, though, not a silver, right?
Correct. Luca Ciagarini. Rookie Lucien Ogami.
Looks like it's an extra points rookie also, so that's always a little bit rarer.
Marco Pejak. And Mauro Tassotti. AC Milan, numbered to 500. This is a National Treasures auto. It looks like he's older. Like, was this back in the day or something?
Yeah, tell me the first name again.
Mauro Tassotti. Tassotti.
Oh, yeah. So he is an Italian manager now, former footballer who played predominantly as a right back. He currently is the assistant coach of the Ukraine national team and played with Milan for 17 years.
Wow. Okay.
So he's got a pretty strong history in the league. I got that feeling looking at his card too, that that might be one that at least a soccer fan would really like.
Yeah, appreciate just from a historical perspective, right?
Mm-hmm. Looks like they aren't breaking the bank. You can get them for $10 on eBay.
This is the English Premier
But that's
League.
the other fun thing. I hate to ever hang our breaker friends out to dry, but sometimes they rip a product like this so that you, the collector, can get the $10 auto if you're not chasing Pedri, right? You know, there's multiple facets to the way that collecting works. I think it often gets overlooked. Still, we would love that David Beckham silver ticket from.
Here's a silver prism rated rookie of Dara O'Shea.
Not familiar with him either.
Oh, let's see. Lots of good-looking cards out of Chronicles, as always. A chance to see what the different brands would look like. Alex McAllister, rated rookie. Conor Gallagher, rookie. Will Smallbone, rookie, and a redemption for Prestige Premier League Extra Points Autographs Gold of Oliver McBurney. Oliver McBurney. Wonder what the autographs gold means it's number 250 maybe?
Plays for Sheffield United. He's from Scotland originally. Ollie McBurney, as he's affectionately known.
And our last mini box will be La Liga.
Looks like those golds might be out of 10.
Wow, that'd be cool.
Yeah, that's what speculation is. Because the base golds are out of 10 in this product. And there seems to be one on eBay. There's also some non-10 extra points autos as redemptions out there. So yeah, pretty cool hit there. Especially because is it 2 autos per box or is it 1 auto per box? Bonus auto? I got to get back to the product sheet now.
Raul Gute, rated rookie.
Jumping all over the place.
This looks like a certified gold.
One of those donuts. Oh yeah, so it's 3 autographs or memorabilia cards, but no guarantee that you would get 2 autos and 1 memorabilia versus getting 1 auto and 2 memorabilia, which is what I've seen many, many times from this product, is just 1 auto and 2 mems. So.
And our memorabilia card is numbered to 500 of Luka Modric.
So this is literally the first player whose name I've known in this entire box, but he is a great one. Luka Modric was won the Balloon d'Or, the Golden Boot, the Golden Boot. He had the most goals in the last World Cup, even though Croatia lost the championship to France. Now he's a bit of a vet. He's like 35 years old now, but had a pretty good showing in the Euros just recently. Is a long-term superstar, possibly the greatest Croatian to ever play soccer. So, as a relic, that's not a bad one at all.
So 3 winners will give away the relic. We'll give away the redemption for Oliver McBurney and Maro Tasototi.